Uggle the bionic cat lost the first of his 9 lives when he was knocked down on a main road. At first he was given very little chance of survival. His back legs had to be rebuilt.
The injuries themselves were quite bad, so much so we had to actually put a metal pin into the right femur there in order to allow that to heal, plus relocate the right hip.
And the speed of his recovery was remarkable, so much so that to strengthen his legs he started climbing up an electricity pole.
It's said that the fact that he has so many bits of pins of metal in his operations that he liked being tickled by the electricity.
Tingling feeling or not, the wires contain 11,000 volts. Not only could Uggle have been killed, but he could have cut off the electricity supply for 700 people.
We've come up with this idea, which is a very hard plastic type of material, which we've applied for the first 6 foot of the pole, and in order to prevent him climbing.
Uggle has tried climbing up the plastic, but he just slides back down, leaving him with nothing better to do than relax in the grass.